Welcome back to Master Your Glass. I'm Livio and I am with the legendary Criss Angel, and I am here at Criss's restaurant and bar here in Moapa.
Yes.
And
Cablp.
I love it. We're gonna make his drink, which is called the Mindfreeze. And what was that?
Oh, nothing.
Oh, that scared me. I thought you were gonna make something. So I thought you were gonna make something disappear. Okay, to make the Mindfreeze, we're gonna do this: 2 scoops of ice, just like this. Okay. Then we're gonna take 4 scoops.
Now this is for the proprietary drink known as the Mindfreeze, available right here at Cablp. Also going to be available in a lot of locations near you, so you can try it for yourself. More to come.
I love it.
We got the master working here. Go ahead.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. So I'm going to just chip off a little bit of dry ice here. This time I'm going to use a smaller one. We're going to see what happens. Put the dry ice right in here. We have two scoops of ice. Now we're going to take...
And now you know we make this ice in my plant right off the Vegas Strip, literally about 35 seconds from the Raider Stadium. Wow. So we're manufacturing over 100 flavors of Italian gourmet ice.
I love it. So it doesn't get more homemade than this.
No.
So we're going to take 4 scoops of your amazing ice, just like that. No artificial mixers, none of that. This is real deal Holyfield ice right here. We're going to put it in. Okay.
And we're going to keep it simple. You're not even going to add, it doesn't need syrups or any of that nonsense.
None of that.
It's just great gourmet Italian ice with Absolut Vodka, blended to perfection for the most refreshing drink that is not only a mind freeze, but a mind buzz, because you don't even realize you're getting buzzed.
I love it. I love it. Yeah, no high fructose corn syrup,
yeah,
no, real deal Holyfield. We're going to put 1.5 ounces of Absolut Vodka. Oops, that was a 2-ounce pour.
We like that.
And, okay, we're going to just put this in the blender. That's it. Okay, now that we've got that really nice icy consistency, we're going to pull the lid off the blender and we're going to just pour this guy right in.
Look at that. Nice.
Alrighty.
Let's see if it gets our puffs of smoke happening. Let's see. There we go. You see that? We have a little effect. So we get a little bit of magic going, a little bit of smoke. We could add probably a little bit bigger piece of ice if we want to get that smoke happening. But I think the novelty of that is going to be a lot of fun, especially when it's served out there, not in, you know, these types of light, fluorescent lighting.
Absolutely. I'm going to give this a sip. Actually, I'm going to share it with the team here. So it's really good. Trust me. And I hope to see you soon.
And thank you so much for coming out here to Overton for Cablp, Criss Angel's breakfast, lunch, and pizza. And if you're around Vegas, we're only 45 minutes away from the Strip. Come see Criss Angel Mindfreak at Planet Hollywood. Jump in the car. I'll send the bus. You come out here. You have the best breakfast, lunch, and pizza of your life.
Cheers. Thanks for watching.
Take care.